Hey Hulyan, so which one do you like? The remote control or this?
That one's snowing and handy.
The Thomas Snowstorm Adventure?
Yeah.
This one here?
Yeah.
How about the remote here?
No.
No?
That one is so fast, but so slowly.
So you like this one, huh?
Yeah.
Not the remote.
Yeah, the Henry does. Yeah, they gonna.
And also the Henry?
Yeah. The Henry.
Snow clearing Henry. You also like this one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
That's two.
So this, the action pack,
Yeah.
and additional Henry train. Okay.
Yeah.
But not the remote control.
Yeah.
Let me see your shirt. Nice. Hey guys. Hey Maya. Hey Hulyan. Hey Hulyan. What do you have there? What did you buy today? Huh? A Thomas Train toy?
Just for the Henry.
Come on, put it out. Come on, show it to us. Wow, that's Henry. Snow clearing Henry. And Thomas Trackmaster. Wow. Thomas Snowstorm Adventure. Wow, Hulyan, nice.
Put it the plastic.
Oh, put it back, put it back.
Put it back. No, no.
No, put it back. Alright, put it back. Put it back. Come on, Rhea, help Hulyan. Help him. Put it back.
Careful, guys.
There you go. There you go. Wow, that's a big bag. That's a big plastic bag. Wow. Hulyan, carry it. Can you? There you go. You got it.
Are you happy?
He's a happy kid for sure. He's a happy young boy today.
It's so heavy.
It's so heavy. Alright, mommy will help you. Yeah. Alright, there you go, guys.
This is so
Welcome to the unboxing part. There it goes. There is Henry. But open the box first, the Snowstorm Adventure box.
Okay.
Open it first before Henry.
Okay, send this first. Okay, the thing goes here. This goes here. Whoa, snowing thing. Tree. This is a tree thing.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready? 1, 2. Open it! Whoa. Whoa. Ooh.
Part by part. There's a big one over here.
It's snowing.
Wow.
What tree? Oh,
Nice.
that thing goes here. And then like the
See?
height. Oh, like this.
Yeah.
It then the pull down. That's gonna be not the pull down. Huh.
Well, wait for mommy. Mommy will assemble it for you.
Oh, look.
The tree pull down like this.
Yeah.
Oh, the tree pull downs and the dust they'll crash.
Wait.
Those the tunnel and like the white ants.
Yep.
Those like ants. Then that's the thing. The thing crash like this. The thing crash like
Thomas
that.
pushes fallen trees. Oh, I see. So Thomas will push the tree out of the way, Hulyan.
It's a prank coming my. I'm like no. Yeah, so the stingy train does snow.
There you go. All right.
Okay. Wait.
Where is it?
Let's put the truck first.
Mommy will assemble the truck first. The train
Wow,
trucks.
the thing booga.
Hi, Maya. Hi.
Wow, the pits. Hey, the two. Daddy, the thing like this,
Yep.
like a bridge.
Like a bridge, huh?
Yeah.
What happened?
But look at that.
Wow.
Look at the one tree. Long tree.
It's a grass.
And that's the
It's a
grass.
grass, it's not a tree.
You have to put it like this.
Yeah.
I show it.
How do you put it? Like that?
And then pour by the snow.
I see. Hulyan.
Oh, like that.
Yep, like this.
Oh,
There you go.
that's not
And then the trees fall like that.
Oh, the
And
tree.
then Thomas will come and Thomas will push the tree out of the way.
Oh, then up like that, and then the boom.
It falls down.
Oh,
Point,
like-
point, like that.
Oh, the tree could pull and tossing the tree out the way,
Yeah.
and then the like the
Yeah, the truck goes inside the tunnel, Hulyan.
like that one goes not that one the wrong. That one's is the pep. Hey, the planet's going. The planet's going away. Okay, almost done.
Almost done.
Hey, the truck is the wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong. Mommy did it wrong, but she'll fix it. Don't worry, she'll fix it.
Come on, light's not working. It's not working? Yeah. And
Now,
the-
what is this paper called?
it's called the statue stuff.
Instruction paper.
The tree go put down there, and the dust go under the tunnel, and dust start moving. The thing you put down, and the house you go, the snow go away.
Open to the second page.
And
Alright,
then
Hulyan, so what's going on
the
there?
section that goes here and goes here like that, and like that, like that, like that, and like that, like that, like
Right.
that, like that.
So what is
Like
this?
that, like that, like that,
Is
like
that the
that.
tree?
Yeah, the go down, the up, and the toss go, and then the house goes.
So the tree falls down.
Yeah, and the
Alright, time to put the battery.
the slots and
How does it work, Hulyan?
it didn't. It
No,
didn't.
you press this.
Oh,
There you go.
The thing.
There. And then
It's gonna was like that.
like
Spins.
that.
See?
Alright, just put it back. There, and then wait for mommy. Okay? Alright, so mommy's going to put the battery now, Hulyan.
Yeah. That's the cloud thing.
Okay.
Okay, put it back.
You put it.
I need-
Okay, Hulyan, here goes Thomas. Wait. Let's make sure that Thomas is on the right track. Okay, turn it on. Whoa! Wow, nice! Oh, Thomas got stuck.
Uh-oh.
Come on, let's fix it because we set up the train tracks on the grass. So we need to make sure that everything is flat and even.
Okay.
Okay.
There goes Thomas. Wow! Ooh, nice!
It's
What
there.
are you
Why you
doing?
turn it off?
And there it goes. What? Oh, she's here.
There goes Thomas. Thomas! Whoa! Nice.
Oh,
Ah!
what?
Thomas! Nice one.
Come on. I'll get correct. I'll get heading.
There goes Thomas.
Stop the engine.
Alright, there goes Thomas. Thomas! Whoa, boink. Nice one.
Okay, she's here. Okay, it's gonna hit the tree.
Oh, why did you put it down? Ah.
She can eat. Okay, sorry.
There goes Thomas. Whoa! Galing. Nice. There goes Thomas again. Wow, nicey.